Hello everyone! Today we are going to show you how to use the auto answer feature on the Flyingvoice phone. After enable the auto answer feature on the phone, any incoming call will be automatically answered. To enable the auto answer, you firstly need to go to Menu, go to Features, select the second option Auto Answer, and then enter Auto Answer Settings. As you can see, auto answer is disabled by default. Use the arrow key to enable it. And then go to Home page. After that, you can see the auto answer icon AA shows on the top right corner of the screen. Now let's make a call to it. We can see the phone rings and it answers the call automatically.